Are you ready to learn how to make $350 a day in PayPal Cash by doing something you probably already enjoy? Watching YouTube videos. In this video, we will show you a proven method that can help you turn your leisure time into a profitable venture. It's a straightforward process that requires no special skills and is accessible to anyone in 2023. Stay tuned as we explain how you can start earning money simply by watching YouTube videos.
Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
We've all been guilty of spending hours binge watching Netflix, YouTube, and various other online platforms as a way to pass the time. One day, a thought crossed our minds. What if it was possible to legitimately earn money while indulging in these online pastimes? Imagine sitting on your couch, engrossed in your favorite TV show or YouTube video, all while effortlessly covering your bills. Intrigued by this notion, we ventured into the realm of making money by watching videos online. The beauty of this method lies in its repetitive rewards. Essentially, you can make money by doing what you're probably doing right now, watching a YouTube video. Allow us to explain how it works. There are numerous websites known as social engagement platforms, but for the purpose of this video, we will focus on just one. Here's the gist. We exchange our opinions on YouTube for points, which we can then convert into social media engagement on other websites. And here's the kicker. Companies actually pay us for this engagement. Now you might be wondering, why do businesses pay for this, or what exactly it entails? Well, here's the deal. When you engage with a Facebook post or YouTube video, such as liking, sharing, or commenting, it signals to the algorithm that the content is of high quality. As a result, the algorithm pushes that post or video to more people. This is one of the key reasons why businesses and individuals seek to boost engagement on their posts or videos. If this still sounds a bit perplexing, don't fret. We'll break it down step by step and you can simply follow along. So let's kick things off with our first website, addmefast.com. When you land on the site, locate and click on the Try for Free button immediately. It's a breeze from here. Just enter your email address and password, verify that you're not a robot, and click Sign Up. Following that, you will receive a message instructing you to confirm your account via email. Simply head to your inbox, find the email from them, and click the provided link to confirm your account. Once you have created and confirmed your account, you'll find yourself on the homepage. Now, what's particularly enticing about this website is that you will receive a generous 200 points right off the bat. As you can see, there are various ways to engage, including Facebook likes, shares, and followers, Instagram likes, TikTok video likes, Twitter tweets, and more. However, for the purpose of our strategy, we will focus on YouTube engagement, specifically YouTube subscribe. Clicking on it will take you to a page where you can start watching videos and earning points. These videos typically offer 3 points for liking them, with some offering even more points for watching for 30 seconds. All you need to do is click the like button and the video will start playing. Once a timer begins counting down, you can simply like the video and click confirm. Plus, if the video has ads, you can skip them. The best part is that you don't have to watch the entire video. You can leave it running, grab a snack, and do whatever you like until the timer runs out. Then you can hit the submit button, and you will see your points increase, often by 8 points. To further boost your points, you can explore TikTok tasks, such as following TikTok users or liking their videos. It's a similar process to what we did earlier, but it can potentially earn you even more significant points. So, we recommend continuing this process until you reach 1,000 points. Since you start with 200 points, you'll need to earn an additional 800 to reach that milestone. we're about to reveal how you can make more money in less than an hour, all from the comfort of your own home. This method can yield earnings comparable to several hours of regular employment. So stay tuned for what's next as we introduce a website that ties it all together, enabling you to engage income effortlessly.
Before we continue, please like this video if it meets your interests. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.
Now, let's delve into the next website, which will serve as the key in connecting all the dots and enabling you to participate in a fundraising endeavor. The website we are about to explore is none other than playerup.com. To get started, simply click on the registration link provided here and enter your email address. Since we're in the process of creating an account, opt for No, create an account now, and proceed by clicking sign up. This action will direct you to a page where you will be required to input your name, set a password, provide your address, and verify that you're not a robot by checking the corresponding box. Finally, click sign up. After completing these steps, you'll find yourself on this page where you can either click on their logo or return to the forum's homepage to commence your journey. Now, it is important to note that this website isn't your typical video game platform. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the section that mentions all other games and marketplaces, you will be directed to a page where you can explore various gaming options. But for our purpose, let's focus on Facebook. Click on the letter F and select Facebook. You might be wondering how all of this ties into generating revenue. Rest assured, it will become crystal clear in just a moment. As an illustration, take a look at here. People can purchase 200 Facebook likes for $20. Moreover, there are numerous individuals on this platform selling large quantities of likes. For instance, you could acquire 10,000 likes for $100 or even $200. Now, let's say we want to create an offer similar to this one, charging $20 for 200 real likes. You can potentially sell it for anywhere between $20 and $50. To craft your own offer, simply select Create a New Listing and proceed by entering the title. Then follow the steps as these individuals have done. It is remarkably straightforward to set up. To tie everything together, we will need to return to addmefast.com. Click on the Add Sites or Pages button. While this is primarily set up for Facebook likes, you can adapt it for various other purposes. You can simply use the phrase 200 Facebook likes as the name and the URL field provide the link to the Facebook post or page you'd like to promote. Set the number of required clicks to 200. This means that you only need 200 clicks to fulfill your target. Now, when you activate this listing, you'll aim to garner 100 daily clicks. Depending on how much you sold those clicks to a player, your earnings can range from $20 to $50. This is how much money you can potentially make in just 15 minutes. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity and the potential for significant earnings by leveraging online platforms effectively.
And that's it for today. Please like this video if it meets your interests. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.